Magritte's famous painting, This Is Not an Apple, reminds us images are representations, not reality. AI sees the world the same way, not through meaning, but patterns across billions of images. Humans, meanwhile, see the world through memory and meaning. Sketching a tulip can invoke feelings of beauty, history, even culture. In this new artistic conversation, text becomes image. Does this mean that images created without human input no longer have meaning? Image classification laid the foundation for today's AI image generators, and the algorithms that revolutionized smartphone photography led researchers to ask, if machines could identify images, could they also create them? There are a variety of reasons to prompt visuals, from architectural design to medical illustrations. In this video, we're going to focus specifically on creating visuals for storytelling. It's based on the concept of frames from film, as in frames per second, and it combines two elements: camera angles, and a framework known as SLAMM. Subject, location, action, mood, and materials. Let's start with subject. Unless it's an establishing shot, there's going to be a subject as a clear focal point of the story or frame. It doesn't matter if it's a human or non-human, just that you have a strong idea. The location helps to specify the scene, to locate the viewer and give them a specific reference. In a way, locations trigger memory and meaning. Actions drive storytelling. They create tempo and can not only slow down, but also speed up an image. Moods don't only give characters a point of view, they also can enhance an entire scene. They evoke emotion, provide context, and radically transform any visual. And lastly, materials. In design software, materials equal color and texture together. These give images a truly unique feel. So to recap, the formula is camera angle plus SLAMM equals anything your mind can dream of. Now let's talk about pipelines. Number one is text to image. You probably already know this. You can make a cute cat, but once you can make a cute cat, you can literally make anything. Number two is image to image. Image to image is great for style and character consistency. You might have seen this with the Studio Ghibli trend or the superhero action figures in ChatGPT. What's really cool about image to image is that you can take a photo and a prompt and create completely new visual worlds. You can also take characters you've created and implement them into new scenes. But the challenge with all AI, especially image to image, is once you start playing around, you can get some super wonky results. Things like aspect ratio can dramatically change the output. So it's very important to have a clear artistic direction and a critical eye. Number three is image to video. Image to video is great because it really gives you control. It allows you to create dynamic scenes. You can change locations, vast ocean landscapes, new types of mythology. We even use it in the first episode, taking a public domain photo of Dartmouth and turning it into a video. Once you start playing with image to video, you can unlock camera movements, which give depth and dimension to your imagery, and there's a lot you can play with here. Number four is image to 3D. This is still a bit novel. It has some cool use cases around gaming, but in mid-2025, it still feels a bit early compared to some of the other pipelines. This is definitely a space that will grow, though. There's a lot of great use cases outside of storytelling. Number five is text to video. Text to video is pretty awesome. You've probably heard about this from Sora. Everyone's like RIP Hollywood, but it's fun. The challenge here is that video can be very expensive and you can't guarantee the exact results. Although for this video, we were trying, penguins walking the runway in Antarctica, and then we threw in some dandy Met Gala fashion, and it isn't quite right, but it's still giving us exactly what we need, even without the right result. Number six is video to video. Video to video is like a style transfer. In this example, we're taking interviews from the first episode and putting a style over them. So let's talk about AI visuals in 2025. Style is becoming its own source code, unlocking new formats and new ways of using AI. Real-time AI video is becoming quite popular and gaining traction. It allows people to put on multiple characters, and it can be used for live streams, festivals, concert settings. It's also starting to be used in theater to create new experiences for audiences. One cool application is Daydream from Livepeer, a real-time AI video app. It allows you to easily transfer styles based on your prompts. There's also a growing catalog of community presets that let you try different styles instantly. It's being used on Twitch to create new interactive experiences for audiences, and real-time AI is sure to continue growing. It's providing really unique experiences online and offline for both creatives and consumers. So what are we seeing in the visual landscape? The rise of new narrative forms for sure. Artists like Madonna have been using AI visuals on tour since 2024, sparking new conversations about artistic creation. And artists like Grimes are sourcing visuals from creatives all over the world, creating new collaborative frameworks. Co-creation is enabling participatory world building from anywhere and enhancing digital animation workflows. And brands like AI or Die are taking traditional methods and flipping them on their head, creating completely new forms of storytelling. Here's an example of that in their trailer for Karen.
Hi, you've reached Karen. Please leave a message after the tone.
Karen, what the fuck is wrong with you?
Shut up, Mom.
For Christ's sakes, it's out of the question!
You fucking moron! Didn't you wear that yesterday?
Hey, you sexy lady, come here.
Hi, this didn't fit me. I would like to return it.
I'm sorry, ma'am. We don't accept returns.
Let me talk to your manager.
The manager isn't here right now. He can't talk to you.
People have been stepping on me for too long.
I mean it, goddammit. We deserve refunds.
I'll track him down if it's the last thing I do.
What did I say about giving refunds?
Say hi to Reddit, motherfuckers.
Let me know if you want to start a loyalty card.
Sir, we have a problem.
Looks like motherfuckers saw half price. We have an unsatisfied customer.